Hey there, YouTube and Facebook. Blue Dooley up here by Smiley Creek. The airport's actually right behind me. Had to drop some trusses off there today and couldn't get in the actual way you normally get into the airport because the bridge only supports 3 tons. So I had to come down the road to a bridge that'd hold at least, 20 something tons. But another gorgeous day up here in Idaho. If you haven't been up to the Smiley Creek area, it's definitely worth checking out. Really beautiful up here. I saved some footage coming over Galena Pass on the dash cam, so I'll throw that here at the end because I can't upload anything right now. I don't have any cell phone signal, which is why it's really nice up here. So we'll catch you later.
No sound from the dash cam. Just got fed up with it only picking up the rattling of whatever's above it in the cab. That's all it ever really picked up, was just rattles. So, been running with it without the microphone recording anything. That doesn't really need sound, I don't think. I'm not going to talk through the whole video. We're about halfway to the pass itself here. I just thought it was pretty, so like I said, just kind of hit the save button a few times. I'll shut up and put some music in because I don't need to talk the whole time. So here we are driving down a 2-track, and then we're going to drive along the edge of the actual runway out at Smiley Creek Airport. It's not much of an airport. It's going to be 2 sheds and some concrete posts in the ground so they can chain an aircraft down if it lands there. I don't even think there's any fuel tanks out here. But it was kind of interesting to come out here. I've been to the lodge a few times, and then we've been up closer to Stanley with a few jobs. However, we don't go over Galena Pass too often. They just don't do a lot of construction up there. And here's the bridge that I came in on, and like I said, it's 27 tons. I think 9 tons an axle, so it was the only way to get a truck this size in there. Actually, it's about the only way to get anything bigger than a car in there, is 3 tons really isn't that much. So, get over the 1-lane bridge, then we'll turn back on 75 and head back up over Galena. I got a little footage of that, just one little section. So you can kind of see what it looks like heading back south to Sun Valley, Ketchum, Haley. It is a pretty drive. I like coming up here. This is the south side of the pass on the way back down. There was quite a bit of bicycle traffic for Friday, I thought. I mean, there might be more on the weekends. But bicyclists kind of bug me because they just stare at the ground right in front of them. Usually have headphones in so they don't hear you coming up on them. I just don't necessarily like people riding a bike on a highway, especially when there's no shoulder. But that's my only real gripe. Beautiful drive, beautiful weather. This is on the way back down, heading south. Back down to Sun Valley, Haley, Ketchum. That was out of order a little bit, but hope everybody enjoyed the video, and also hope everyone had a good weekend, and we will catch you in the next one.